Hello everyone, welcome to my channel LibreOffice OpenSuite tutorial. In this channel, you will learn everything about LibreOffice, the free and open source alternative to Microsoft Office. My name is Saad. I am an IT specialist and part-time freelancer on Fiverr and Upwork. Over the past few years, LibreOffice has evolved rapidly and many people are now shifting toward it. In my freelancing career, I have noticed that many new users struggle with LibreOffice features and interface. So I decided to create this channel to help people who want to move from Microsoft Office to LibreOffice, avoid expensive subscription fees, and still get professional quality results. On this channel, I also create special request videos for anyone facing specific issues in LibreOffice. So kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for future video notification. Today video is special. That request came from my buyer on Fiverr. He demand to create a dynamic multi-find and replace words macro in LibreOffice call. So I decided I have to create a video on this topic to help new user how to write macros. So let's start this video. You know that LibreOffice call cannot replace multiple words in one step. You have to find and replace each word at a time as you can see in demonstration. Normally find and replace in call allow only one search and one replacement. If you have many words like word 1, string 1, word 2, string 2, you must do it manually one by one. That's slow. So we will write a macro that does everything automatically. I will show you a simple macro that replaces multiple words automatically in seconds. I have to replace one word each time. First I have to find first word, then replace it with my replace string. Then I have to go find second word and replace it with my second string. There is no way to change it at one go except using macros. To write macros, go to Tools, Macros, Organize Macros, and click on Basic. Select your file and click New to create a new module. Start the macro name multi replace. After starting multi replace subroutine, first we have to declare some variables like document, reference to the current call document, sheet, reference to the active sheet, or descriptor. Replace descriptor used to define find object replace rule. An array for find list. Find list array containing word to search. Replace list array containing replace word. I for loop counter. Replace count variable how many replacements were done in one cycle. Total variable for total replacement for all words. To get the current document in LibreOffice call, we write doc is equal to this component. To get active sheet, we write sh is equal to doc dot current controller dot active sheet. This line will perform action on the sheet currently open in call. Define the list of what to search and what to replace them with. I am creating fixed find word list and replace word list. You can create form on sheet and assign sheet cell to the array list one by one. I am only demonstrating how you can create multi-word replacement macro, so I only use fixed list. Now we use if condition to ensure both lists have the same length, means find list and replacement list. Why? Every search word must have a matching replacement word. If lists do not match, stop the macro and show the message to the client that array must have the same length. Now prepare total counter by typing total is equal to 0, starts counting total replacement from 0. Now write loop statement from first element of array to the last element of array. In for loop where the search happen, the replacement happen and where the total count of replacement is calculated. O descriptor is equal to sh dot create replace descriptor. This line creates something called a replace descriptor. Think of it like a box where we pull all the search and replacement setting. We tell LibreOffice, here is what you need to find and here is how you should replace it. We are creating this descriptor from the current sheet because we only want replacement inside the active sheet, not the whole document. O descriptor dot search string is equal to find list. This line tells the LibreOffice what to search for, means we are taking the I position word from our list of word to find. For example, in the first loop, it might be word 1, in the next loop, word 2, and so on. So this line set the search target for the current loop. O descriptor dot replace string property is equal to replace list. This set the text that will replace the word we found. Again, we are using the same index I so that word 1 change with string 1 and word 2 change with string 2 and word 3 change with string 3. Every such word is matched correctly with its replacement word. Set O descriptor to search word property to false. This option controls whether the search is whole word only. When false, the macro can replace text inside larger words. Example, replacing car will also replace inside car pet. If you want whole word only matches, you can change this to true. Replace count is equal to sheet dot replace all bracket in O descriptor. This is where the magic happens. LibreOffice will scan the entire sheet and replace all matches of the search string with the replace string. The result, replace count, tell us how many replacements were made in this loop. For example, if it replaced the word 5 times, replace count will be 5. Total is equal to total plus replace count line adds the number of replacement from the current word to the total. So if word 1 was replaced 5 times and word 2 was replaced 3 times, total will become 8. We keep adding until the loop finish all finds oblique replace pairs. Next, I just tell the macro to go to the next pair in our list and repeat the entire process. In the end, once the loop is finished, we show the user a message box. It displays the total number of replacements done on the current sheet. This gives a clear confirmation that the macro worked successfully. After writing complete macro, go to the main sheet and go to the tools, form and click on design view. Now go to the insert form control and select a push button and create it on sheet. Now right click on button and go to the control properties. A dialog box is open. For control properties of button, change the name and label of the button. Now go to the event tab, find execute event of button, click three dot sign button, click macro button and select our created macro which we save in our sheet module and then click OK and close all dialog boxes. Now save the document and go to the tool menu, then form. A sub menu open. Then click on design view to off the design view mode. Now click on button to execute the macro. A successful replacement message appears saying 16 word is successfully completed. And that's it guys, you have successfully write multi-find replace macro in LibreOffice called Sheet. Added a push button on Sheet and how to assign macro on button and much more. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe for more future interesting videos. See you in the next video.